Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopify.com, and today we are in the home. In this video, two smart switch brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Lutron Caseta Deluxe smartwatch and the Leviton Decora smart Wi-Fi switch. When you take a look at the home appliances section of your local market, you're probably going to see that a lot of them are tagged as smart. In fact, it's probably more uncommon to find non-smart devices than their intelligent counterparts nowadays. However, one of the lesser-known smart appliances is a common setting that can be a vital part of the home: smart switches. In today's video, we are pitting two of our wittiest contenders, the Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Switch, which has garnered 5 badges, and the Leviton Decora Smart Wi-Fi Switch, which has collected 4 badges from our team at TrustedShopify.com. Whether you're looking for an option that'll assist you in your busy schedule, or you're looking for something that's easy to install, you'll find your best bet after our challengers butt heads in today's Brand Wars. If you're interested in the other smart switches that we reviewed, do check out our smart switch review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So, without further ado, let's start the Brand Wars. The first category that these smart switches will be going toe-to-toe with would be their connectivity. The majority of today's smart switches work with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. Be sure that your smart switch is compatible with these smart home devices so that you can connect them to the switch and control them using your voice. Lutron connects with various leading smart home devices such as Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Serena Shades, Sonos, and more. Much like the competition, Leviton is also compatible with a range of devices such as Hey Google, Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Siri, so that you can turn your bulbs and connected fixtures on and off. It's fair to say that these smart switches are compatible with various smart devices, so there isn't much of a competition. That being said, we'll be ending this round in a tie. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their wireless control features. The most common way of controlling these smart switches wirelessly is via Wi-Fi using your mobile device. While this is the most convenient way, some switches provide alternatives such as a wireless remote, which enhances its versatility. In order to ensure seamless connectivity between all devices in your home, be sure that you choose the right protocol for wireless communication. Lutron features a remote that allows you to control your lights from anywhere within your home. Thanks to the included Pico remote, you'll also have the option to control your smart home from anywhere with Lutron app. On the other hand, Leviton can be controlled from anywhere using your mobile device via the Leviton app. This allows you to create schedules and set the lighting scenes at home using multiple devices. While both smart switches can be controlled by their respective applications, what gives the Lutron the edge is its innovative remote. For that reason, we'll be giving Lutron the point in this round. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their geofencing. Geofencing allows you to control your home's lighting by simply going about your daily routine. This means that your lights will automatically turn on or off when you leave your place or arrive at home. This is a brilliant feature that cuts you some slack after a tiring day, so it would be best to get a switch that offers this. Lutron has this feature, and you can set your location around your home so that the lights automatically turn on as you arrive home. Unlike the competition, however, Leviton does not offer this feature. That being said, Lutron easily snatches the point for this round. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their wiring setup. There are some smart switches that require a neutral wire to work. Usually, homes built during or after the 1980s are more likely to have one. It would be best to determine if your home has a neutral wire before making your purchase, so you won't end up spending your money on something you can't use. Lutron, like most smart switches, doesn't need a neutral wire, which is why it'll work in any home of any age. On the flip side, a neutral wire is required for Decora Smart Wi-Fi 2nd-gen devices. You'll be more confident with Lutron's compatibility with your home since it doesn't require a neutral wire. That said, we'll be giving the point to them in this round. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their Smart Away feature. A Smart Away feature is an innovative security feature that some of the best smart switches offer. The lights are randomly turned on and off while you're away to give the impression that someone is at home. This is great for individuals who travel a lot. Lutron does not disappoint as it's equipped with this feature, which gives you the ultimate peace of mind even while you're away. On the other hand, this is again something that Leviton lacks, which gives them quite a disadvantage. The facts are clear as day, and Lutron obviously wins this round. It is finally time to announce the winner of today's Brand Wars. The scores are tallied. We have Lutron scoring a total of 5 points, which means that they have earned a point in every single category, Unfortunately for the competitor Leviton, they only managed to score a total of 1 point, with that single point coming from a tie. In the end, Lutron maintains its 5-batch reputation as it completely dominated the competition in almost every single aspect. That said, Lutron is undoubtedly the undisputed champion in the world of smart switches. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Switch and the Leviton Decora Smart Wi-Fi Switch has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next Smart Switch face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.